This is Doc Haller. I'm going to introduce you to my pyramid of C's. I need you to go with this journey with me. Trust the process, because I'm going to give it all to you step by step. So I think you came to the situation what I call the bottom of it, the uncomfortable zone. You don't know how to do this. That's okay. I built the system around everything you need to know. And from there, you're going to climb up the pyramid of C's and get comfortable. Then you say, well, I could kind of maybe do that. But then I want you to get confident and know with a surety, because of all the training, all the tools, and me teaching you everything you need to know, that now you can apply it and execute on it and turn it into taking you from confident to competent. That means you know what to do and how to do it, step by step. And what will be the result of that? Trust in this process. You climb the pyramid of C's and you get to cash and cash flow. Take care and enjoy the journey with me.